Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In this video, I will talk about AND logic in pneumatic control system. By solving this problem, you will get a good idea what AND logic is in pneumatic circuits. The problem states that a company logo is to be stamped onto boxes using a single acting cylinder. To prevent accidents, the machine will only work when the operator has both hands on the start button. If either button is released, the machine will stop. So we can solve this problem by two methods. The first method is by using two 3x2 double acting cylinder. Let's see. Method 1. By using two DCV. First, let's draw the single acting cylinder. Now let's draw two 3x2 DCV. Let's copy this. Only this valve should get the supply. Now for the connection. If I push both these buttons, only then the circuit will work. The cylinder will extend. If not, the cylinder won't extend. Let's see the second method. Using AND valve. So I need this double acting cylinder. I need two 3x2 DCV and the AND valve. So this is my AND valve. The connection will go like this. So how this AND valve work? Let's see. This AND valve has three states. State 1. If I give output to the left side, not to the right, then this will happen inside. The left side flow will push this bar and block the path. So no output. State 2. I'm giving input from this side. What will happen? No input from this side. What will happen? The flow will push the bar and restrict the flow. So no output. Now state 3. Giving input from both the side. The inside bar will be in this position. So there will be output. Flow will go through here and this side flow will go through here. So there will be output. Let's see in action. So the first method, one single acting cylinder and two DCB. Okay, let's simulate. Pushing this button and holding, then pushing this button. When both switches are pushed, only then the cylinder extends. If either one of them is not pushed, the cylinder won't extend. So this method works perfectly. Let's see the second one. Here is the end valve. This is called two valve pressure in the software. Let's simulate. Pushing the left button, nothing will happen. And you can see the flow restricted. Only pushing the right side, the flow restricted. When both buttons are pressed, only then the cylinder extends. See? So this method also works perfectly. If you have any doubts, please let me know in the comments. Thank you very much.